My channel. Drugstore foundations for under $10. What? Before I started getting higher end makeup brands, I would mix Halloween white powder into my foundations to try and make them light enough. Yeah, white. I'm white. Okay, so I guess first we can try, I've been looking for a new primer. Where's the primer that I have been using? Is it in here? Yeah. I've been using NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. Which, so far, I mean, it's decent, but way back in the day, I got this one, like, oh, this is such a cute little box, though. Like, let's take a minute and look at how adorable it is, like a little container. It's so cute and pretty, and I like it. It's oil-free, silicone-free, alcohol-free. We will see. Comes out like a minty, it kind of matches the color of the container. It's kind of, it smells weird. Ooh, I don't like it at all. Ooh. It has a really perfumey smell, which, I mean, it's fine, I guess, but it's like a cheap perfumey smell, which I'm not about that life. Oh, I have a hair in my eye. And it does not feel like it's smoothing my pores or doing anything, and this is honestly, I don't like it at all. Now I'm super primed. So apparently I bought like 3 different Rimmel foundations. Okay, this one was $2 from Walmart. I want to say it's called Clean Finish. It's 100% poreless look. And this is the lightest color, called Ivory 120. You're supposed to look 100% poreless for a natural, even complexion. See? Rimmel. What else do we have? This is Rimmel Match Perfection Pore Blurring Effect. Okay, how many do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can do 4, 5. So I can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm trying to figure out, because I'm going to do all of them on my face. Sunscreen foundation with invisible coverage. Also, this is 120 Ivory. Was this Ivory too? So these are supposed to be the same color. So far off the bat, this one looks a lot darker. I don't remember how much. I want to say this was $2 too. It doesn't have the sticker anymore. And then this one is Lasting Finish Skin Perfecting Full Coverage Foundation. This is Light Ivory. It's 091, which this looks a lot closer to this one, even though they're all, I don't know, full coverage foundation enriched with a comfort serum. This one is the most expensive one, but I picked it out because I like the packaging. I get excited about packaging. It's recommended daily use by the Skin Cancer Foundation. It's broad spectrum SPF 50. This is Physicians Formula. All-in-one cushion foundation. It doesn't even say, it's Ivory, 6815, that's the color, Ivory. Look at this. It feels cheap. This is $7, but I mean, it's super cute. Look at this, it comes with a little puffum and a thing that, oh, that's kind of fancy. Honestly, I think if I don't like the mirror, oh, that's why it sucks. It has a film on it. Even if I don't end up using this, I'm gonna use this packaging for something because it's super cute. And it has like a little, the lifty thing. I like it a lot. And then this is Revlon Color Stay 2-in-1. It's compact makeup and concealer. This is 110, again, Ivory. This is what I've been using recently. This is FIt Me 110 Porcelain Matte and Poreless Foundation. It's supposed to it's matte and poreless. So. And then this is Stay Matte Rimmel Liquid Mousse Foundation Light Porcelain. Cool. So now that we have all of that, ooh, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know how to do that. Oh, I also have Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer in Creamy Vanilla. So, I'm just gonna do, okay, I have 8. So we're gonna do 4 quadrants, and then we're gonna wipe it off, and then do 4 more quadrants, because I don't care about my face, apparently. I don't have wipes with me. We're gonna do Rimmel Lasting Finish. I think we'll do all the Rimmels, because I have 4. This is Light Ivory. This Ivory is supposed to be darker than Porcelain, guys. Oh. Oh, it's like coming out of the top. This will be here. Ooh, this kind of smells, but I really like it. It smells like clean, if that makes sense. Come on, Mario. Just putting this shit right up in there. I don't care. I don't care. I'm also doing this. I have really bad scars and stuff on this jawline. So I like the way this feels. It's very lightweight, but because of that, I feel like it's mine more full coverage. Yeah, this is really light coverage. So what color is this? Light Ivory. So this is the second lightest one. This one, I use this a lot. This is a Light Porcelain. This goes on a lot thicker. Even though I've been using it lately, I honestly do not like the texture of it. It's extremely thick. You feel it like cake onto your skin. And I don't like that. I feel like this is such a dead flat white. Even though this is, I like this color, but I don't know, I kind of really like this one. Woo! No, JK. $3.50. $3.50 stuff so far is a win. So Porcelain is obviously a lot. Was this Porcelain? Light Porcelain. It's obviously a lot lighter than the light ivory, but so far I like it. This one is just regular ivory, so we will see. Okay, also this, don't need that much, and it just cakes on my teeth. What? What is this? What? It's like a little ladle. Okay, okay. I like it. That way when it gets down to the bottom, no, you still can't get it down to the bottom. But that's kind of cool. I've honestly never seen that. This is supposed to be poreless. It's a poreless foundation. Well, wow, I used a lot. That used a lot less than I was expecting, to be honest. Honestly, guys, I also don't have my glasses on right now. As you saw from the beginning, I took them off. So I'm looking at my big mirror, and I can't really see a difference. And my mirror right here, the lighting is off. So once I'm done with my full face, I'm just going to put my glasses back on so I can see the color difference. This one is the last one. It's Match Perfection Rimmel London. Well, the last of the Rimmels. This one, honestly, it's supposedly the same color as the last one that I just did, but it looks really dark. So, okay, you can clearly see the line between the Stay Matte Liquid Mousse, which this still feels caked on and disgusting, and I really, really don't like this one. Like I said, I've been using it for a while, and I think I'm just going to throw it away. It does feel so nice. Like if I set it with a powder, translucent powder, I feel like it matches my skin really well. Even though it's not full coverage, I feel like it's really close, and it's really, I don't know, I like it. This one, again, not full coverage. And it looks kind of tan to me, which is weird, because this is supposedly the same color. And, where was it? This is the tan one, this is the lighter one up here. And I liked that this one had a little scooper, but I don't know, I might not use this one again. Because I'm, like, having a really good wipe your face off, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so yeah, this is $5, $6, maybe even $7. I will check online to see what the regular price for this is. This was maybe, I want to say $3 that I bought. This was $2. This was $3.50. So now we're looking at, this was $6.99. This was $7. I want to say this was $6, maybe? It was on clearance as well. And this was not on clearance, so maybe $8. So they're all under $10. Some a lot cheaper because they were on clearance, but you know. Either way. So far, from what I've realized, I am Ivory. But I am not any ivory. I am light ivory. But I also can use ivory. This is what I've been using, and this is Porcelain. So apparently I'm not Porcelain. Why doesn't every company have a Porcelain? Is it, oh god, oh good god, that was too much. Comes out like this. This is Fit Me, Maybeline FIt Me. Bless you. Let me paint on my face. Paint, paint, paint. This is like a yellow tint to it, which is really odd. I like that it's not as light as the Rimmel Stay Matte, but like I look like I'm trying to be a ghost. I'm not too fond of ghostly, but as I blend it in, it looks less ghostly, but still super yellow. And I promise, my skin is not yellow. Okay, so this is the Maybeline FIt Me one in Porcelain. Now we are going to try Milani. What the hell? Guys. It doesn't even have like a stick though. It's just like a literal goop. What am I don't know how I'm supposed to do this, so we're just gonna fucking go for it. Honestly, I've never heard of this brand, and I was like, wow, it all looks really dark. Like, am I even supposed to? Is this for darker people? Is this a one skin type kind of brand? Which, you know, I totally understand. You know, all skin types have issues finding their colors. So I googled it, and I was like, oh no. Yeah, you know how I was just complaining 2 seconds ago about the other yellow one? This is like fucking intense, like almost gold. So this is, by the way, the lightest shade of all of them. And now this is Revlon Color Stay. This is a makeup. Oh, they come in 2 different, look, okay, so this is the concealer. And this is the foundation, and what's in here? Oh, it's a cute little, ooh, oh lord. Ooh. Okay, see, this is more full coverage. This one is really streaky and gold. Beat that face, guys. Beat it. Beat it. Beat it. Beat it. Dun, 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 dun. Honestly, I really like the color of this. It's a darker skin tone than mine, but not horribly so. I feel like it matches the most out of the 3 on my face so far. So that's something. Again, not full coverage, but it does have the built-in concealer, and I put it on this side because I do have zits. I mean, the concealer works pretty well. Yes. This is the lightest weight. Like, this is, no, this feels good. This is cakey. Cakey. Milani is cakey. And now for the Cool Physicians Formula one. I really hope this is nice, because I honestly really like this. I think it's really ingenuitive. I like it. It's different. Okay, so it's like a little spongy thing. It comes with this applicator, which you didn't know. Most of the applicators that come with makeup are shit, but you just kind of press on the sponge and it comes out. And then, yeah, kind of, I don't like the way this looks already. It feels greasy. It's very, very, greasy and sheer, I guess is the word. I don't like it. This is the most expensive one, too. Okay, so all around, my favorite one, honestly, has to be this one. I'm going out after this, and I'm going to take this off and put this one on. I really like it. I think it matches my skin tone for the first time in a long time. I think I'm not going to have to mix it with my Bare Minerals to make it not so awkward looking, I guess. So, which, by the way, I'll let you guys know. I use Bare Minerals Broad Spectrum SPF 15 Original Foundation Fair 01. That is what I use on my face. for this stuff. Yeah. So, all in all, Rimmel Lasting Finish. It normally goes for $6.97, but I got it for $3.50. I think it was a great buy. I seem more like light ivory. Obviously, I'm not ivory. All of these are ivory, oddly enough. This one. Which one was this? This was the Revlon Ivory, wasn't it? Yeah. Revlon Ivory matches my skin the most. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my random, I don't even know what the heck I was doing here. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I'm going to start putting out more videos, so please subscribe. Tell me what your favorite foundation is that you get from drugstores.